We continue our tour of Whistler golf courses with a course that has yet another familiar name attached to it. Stand on the first tee of the Whistler Golf Club and instantly you'll understand why Arnold Palmer chose it as the location for his first Canadian design. Snow-capped peaks surround the course in all directions. Ancient cedars and majestic fir trees line the fairways. Winding streams, 9 lakes, and white sand bunkers punctuate perfectly manicured greens, and an occasional black bear sauntering across the fairway is not an uncommon sight.
Well, the Whistler Golf Club's been around since 1983. We celebrated our 25th anniversary last year. Arnold Palmer design, and it was the start of really summer destination resort activities in Whistler. The Arnold Palmer Golf Course, it's obviously very playable, traditional Palmer design, and lots of loyalties from our customers that have been coming for 25 years.
Over the past several years, the Whistler Golf Club has undergone extensive renovations to make the course play even better without losing any of the original charm. Speaking of charm, that's what you'll find from the moment you arrive at the Whistler Golf Club. The service is so typical of the friendliness that you will see throughout the resort village.
The Whistler Golf Club is right in the heart of the village. It's a stone's throw away from any of the properties, and we embrace that and engage that. Palmer's design, Whistler's attitude is our tagline, and you know, you're not going to see anybody walking around with a shirt and tie. We're inviting. Juniors play for free. We want the families out here, so it's a good test of golf. It's fun, and our guests really enjoy it when they come.
An Arnold Palmer design, 18 sprawling fairways virtually surrounded by mountains, unparalleled views of world-renowned Whistler and Blackcomb Mountains, and service second to none. That's the charm of the Whistler Golf Club.